Hi guys, this is Paul from 702 Motoring in Las Vegas. I'm the voice behind the 702 Motoring Las Vegas YouTube videos. So now you have a face to the voice. So we're here, we're very happy to announce 702 Motoring Las Vegas has our own very-in 6x9 cut-in kit for 2014 and up Harley Davidson motorcycles. Now, this kit right here, 702 Motoring has teamed up with a major manufacturer of Harley Davidson aftermarket electronics. We have created the first 6x9 cut-in kit for your factory lid that's sold separately without speakers, meaning it's offered just as a complete kit so you can put your speaker of choice in the bag. Hopefully you'll use Diamond Audio, but you're free to use whatever you choose. So here we have our very own 6x9 cut-in kit. Comes with a top plate, bottom plate, with a very unique design to it. And the way this kit installs is very, very simple. You're basically going to take a template that comes with the kit, you're going to set it on your factory lid. And when it's positioned on that lid, you're going to take two screws, you're going to screw them right there through your lid. And that's going to hold this template in place. Now, what you're going to do is drill a hole right on the edge right there with a drill bit. Then you're going to take a jigsaw, you're just going to jigsaw this template right out. This is going to come off and you're going to have your hole cut perfectly. You're then going to put your bottom piece on, your top piece, it comes with screws, the proper screws, and it's going to hold this baby in place. Now, what's very important to understand on these kits is these are designed for 6x9s. However, high-end speakers or anything that's going to put out some really decent sound uses a larger magnet than your standard 6x9. It is a 6x9, but it is a larger size magnet. So what's going to happen is you're going to have issues installing a high-end speaker in any of these aftermarket kits. So in that case, we make a special half-inch 6x9 spacer. It's going to be necessary that you purchase this with this kit if you're trying to install any speakers like this right here. Now, it's also important to note that there's a specific way to do things to make your job easy. Trying to put a half-inch spacer on a speaker like this and then line it up to put your screws in is going to be extremely difficult. You're going to have a hard time with it. So what we recommend, this is a Diamond Audio coaxial sub. We recommend putting your half-inch spacer on the speaker, put your screws through it first. That way your spacer is lined up on your speaker and then you can install it into the kit on your bike. You'll notice, due to the fact that these are larger frame speakers, that your speaker screws are going to be at a slight angle, meaning they're not going to be straight up. That's okay. This kit's designed to compensate for that. Just slowly crisscross your screws until you get everything in place, tighten your speaker down. From that point on, you'll have no issue. That's how you're going to do your installation. If you attempt to do it any other way, you're going to be pulling your hair out. So this is a Diamond Audio coaxial sub. Same thing goes with the Diamond Audio MP694 coaxial horn speaker. It's going to require the spacer. Same way, put your screws to the spacer first because you're not going to be able to line it up without the screws being in the spacer. That's very, very important. Diamond Audio also makes a new speaker. This is an HXM 69F4. This is a new speaker on the market. This is a coaxial speaker, 6x9. It's got lighting inside of it. So this lights up. So if you're looking for some really cool action through your speaker pod, we've got these and they're nice. We've got them 6.5s also for the front. It will also require the spacer. Now, this is a little different setup on these because it already has a built-in frame spacer assembly. So you're going to have to work with that and customize it a little bit. Well, not really customize it, just again, line it up first and install your speaker. This speaker here is a marine speaker for like motorcycles and boats, but this is by no means a speaker to keep up with what these speakers are designed to do. If you're looking for lights and not high-end, super crazy sound system, this is a good speaker. If you're looking for that loudness, you're going to be looking at either the coaxial sub or the coaxial horn. The horn speaker our opinion is, outperforms a coaxial sub. Very simply. Because one, this speaker produces just as much bass, if not more, than the coaxial sub. And more importantly, you're moving away from a coaxial tweeter. Even though this is an awesome speaker, very loud, this is a horn. A horn is going to outperform a coaxial or two-way speaker very easily. This is louder, produces more highs, more bass. That's our opinion. Now, we've got a set of these installed in a bike right here. We've got 2020 Road Glide right behind me here. And here's a set of the 702 Motoring cut-in kits. You can see what it looks like on a finished bike. This fits perfectly flush. Fits nice and tight. It's not loose. It does not rattle. Here you can see our logo on it right here. And when you open your lid up, you see we're using a MP694 speaker. You see there's no clearance issues whatsoever. No issues. And here's your speaker installed. Here you see our spacers installed. And this is tight. It's not going anywhere. And this bike is ready to rock. We just completed this bike today. This is like the fourth set of these 6x9 kits we've used. We know they work. They work perfectly. So that is our 702 Motoring 6x9 cut-in kit. Now, let me show you something else over here. So we've got a special going on right now. Pre-election special. So this is our website, if anybody's looking for product. It's 702motoringlasvegas.com. Now, it's come to our attention that some people are coming up to a website that have an orange Escalade on it, and they're not being able to figure anything out. This is not our e-commerce website. Matter of fact, we're trying to remove this website. 702motoring.net, that's not the website. You want to go to 702motoringlasvegas.com. Here you'll see all our e-commerce prices. You'll see all our Harley packages. We've got tons of Harley packages. Now, we can also custom fit you a Harley package. Lots of different packages we could do for you. So regarding our 6x9 kit, here you go right here. Our 6x9 kit comes complete. It's $319.99. That gets you the complete kit that you see here, minus the speakers. Very simple, very well thought out design. Now, for the guys that are looking for two kits, you got a buddy in a club, you got some friends, you both want to do something, we're going to go from $319 down to $599 for two kits. That's shipped. That's two kits. So several people have already taken advantage of this special, and it makes sense. It saves you $40. Now, also, we are coming up to a presidential election. Regardless of what presidential candidate you want, we want you to get out there and vote. This is a very, very important election. So, with that in mind, any Diamond Audio purchase from now until Election Day is going to receive a Trump $1,000 bill. They say this is a triple chrome, gold-plated $1,000 bill. Now, I can't say for sure it is or isn't, but it looks mighty fine if you ask me. So you're going to get that free. Now, if this offends some people, I apologize. Please write in the notes when you purchase something. Please do not send me a Trump $1,000 gold-plated bill. I don't want it. So if you feel offended, I apologize. All my Trump fans out there, you're going to get a $1,000 gold-plated bill from now until Election Day. But hang on, there's more. On top of that Trump $1,000 bill, you will get a Diamond Audio face mask, which appears to be the new way in life, face masks, until maybe after this election. So I'm going to put this on to demo it out. Look at that. I already feel faster. So you'll get a Trump $1,000 bill, you'll get a Diamond Audio face mask, and 702 Motoring Las Vegas. Thank you very much.